Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, September 12th. The Zen story for today is titled The Boy Who Heard Nothing. They passed through a flat stretch of land where the wind spoke louder than the trees. No villages, no signs, just a boy sitting in the dust at the side of the road, drawing spirals with his finger. The monkey spotted him first. Aha! "A witness to our greatness," it declared, puffing up its chest. "Watch this." It bounded over. "Boy," the monkey called. "You there! What's your favorite fruit? Be honest. I can tell if you lie." The boy did not move. The monkey tried again. "Do you know any jokes? I'll go first. What walks on four legs in the morning, two at noon, and none after enlightenment?" Still no reply. "Is he deaf?" the monkey whispered to the monk, scandalized, "or just rude?" The monk said nothing. He was watching the boy's hands, which had stopped tracing spirals and were now patting the ground rhythmically, like he was feeling for something hidden beneath the earth. The wind kicked up. A tumbleweed scuttled past. The monkey leaned in, frowning. "I think he's just ignoring me." Still no answer. The monk knelt beside the boy, but didn't speak. He simply placed a hand gently on the dirt beside the child's. The boy looked at him, and then, after a long moment, he said, "Sometimes I pretend I'm a donkey because they get better dreams." And with that, he stood, brushed off his trousers, and walked away, slowly, as if listening for something else entirely. The monkey opened its mouth, and then closed it, then turned to the monk. "What does it mean?" But the monk was still kneeling in the dust, smiling slightly, as if he'd heard the punchline to a joke that hadn't been told yet. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle, relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Can you sit with someone else's silence without trying to fill it? And what might emerge if you do? Can you sit with someone else's silence without trying to fill it? And what might emerge if you do? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Can you sit with someone else's silence without trying to fill it? And what might emerge if you do? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.